right, first we are going to add our warm water to the bowl, and then our starter. I use about 75 grams for the most part. Incorporate that, then add your salt. I don't measure the salt. I just don't. It says 11 grams, but I don't. Now it's flour time. I use unbleached bread flour. You can use your unbleached all-purpose. You can use your milled, your whole wheat, whatever your heart's content with. I just happen to find that the unbleached bread flour works best for me in my situations. I don't get my hands dirty here. I use my spatula and my utensils the whole time. Just incorporate it, and now it's time for your 30-minute rest. First, stretch and fold. You're going to do that, and you're going to put it back up for 30 minutes, and you're going to do a stretch and fold every 30 minutes for a minimum of 4 times. I keep mine in the microwave because it keeps it comfy. My house is chilly. There's our 4th stretch and fold. Remember, my hands are not dirty whatsoever. I throw some plastic wrap on it, throw it in the fridge. 15 hours later, I let it warm up to room temperature. Then I throw some flour on my parchment, and then I dump my dough straight to that parchment paper. Again, utensils. Flour on my top. I'm going to get my hot Dutch oven out, and then I use an X-Acto knife that was super cheap to score it. Works well. Remember, that pot's hot. You're going to go 30 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Now you're going to remove your lid, and you're going to put it back in that oven and drop that temperature down to 400 for 15 minutes. That's it. We're done, son. Pull it out. Do not cut into that bread for at least an hour. Otherwise, you're going to ruin the moisture content that's within it, and it's going to be all dried. I have the recipe in the description of this video, so you can screenshot it or write it down, log it somewhere so you have it on hand. And yeah, good luck with your sourdough journey. I started this over a year ago, was my initial journey. I had so many failures that I quit, completely quit. And then a friend of mine, her name's Michelle, she re-sparked my interest because she had some starter that I knew was a fail-proof on the starter end of things, as long as I could keep my end going as a sourdough parent. And obviously I did. And I've been able to split that starter. I gave it to some friends. They're still using it. And this is still continuing to make really good bread. So good luck with your journey. Leave me some comments on what works for you. Everyone's kitchen is different. Everyone's temperatures are different. Everyone's ovens are different. Everyone's kneading is different. The way you knead and fold and stretch. So everyone's gonna be different. I'm really looking forward to perfecting this a little bit more, adding some inclusions. I would love to do the cheddar jalapeno thing. I would love to do any kind of fruit that I can throw in there, cranberry, nuts, that kind of stuff. Not going there yet though, because I'm still perfecting this. Even though I think I've got it down, I made this on a very humid day, and it tastes really good. Came out soft, the chew that I want, and I'm very happy with it. So don't be discouraged. Just keep on practicing. You'll get it. You'll figure out what your kitchen wants you to be doing, and you'll be able to figure out how and when you need to do those things. So I hope everyone enjoyed this video, and thank you for being here in the kitchen. Not my normal video, but this sourdough kick has everyone on fire, and I want to give some encouragement to the people that may be discouraged that you can do it. It's very simple. You don't have to get your hands all dirty, and you don't have to have 1,000 different utensils and bowls and devices to make this work. Make it work and make it happen, Captain. That's all you got to do. And be safe, and thanks for watching.